Big weather story today, especially on the eastern side of the state. The winds are going to be whipping. We have this cutoff low over to the east, and on the back end of that, we've got these really strong winds where we could have gusts 50 to 60 miles an hour, and that's why we're going to have these wind advisories, lake wind advisory in effect for Fort Peck Lake, where we can have gusts up to 50 miles an hour, and high wind warnings in effect for Carter and Fallon County, where we can have gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Here in Billings, we have a chance to have gusts 30, 35 miles an hour. Maybe even stronger, according to some models. This is going to linger through at least tomorrow morning, so the commute this morning was pretty dicey. We'll hold on to those chances tonight during your evening commute and tomorrow morning's commute as well. But as we get into tomorrow afternoon and that low pulls away, and there's that low we're talking about, once it pulls away, it's going to take all of that wind with it. High pressure is keeping us dry, the big blue H-y thing, there you go. So no moisture really in the area except for the mountains. Maybe the Beartooths and the Absarokas and the Bighorns could see some daily showers, snow showers for the next couple of days, maybe a better chance by the latter part of the week. As we get into the weekend, we're eyeballing, there it is, area of low pressure there. We're eyeballing another system that's going to be coming in, and that's going to give us a chance to cool way down again. Sunday into Monday, we could see highs in the 20s. Question is, will we have enough moisture attached to it, where we'll not only see mountain snow, but more snow here in the lower elevations, and we'll have to see how the models fine-tune for the next couple of days. Today's going to be chilly, highs mainly in the 30s.